What's your name?
Jordan. What's your name? What's your name?
Here you go, Max. What's your name, Cassie? Can you say it big and loud?
Jordan.
Cassie. Very nice. Is this your first time at VBS? It is? Have you enjoyed it? Is it a lot of fun? What's your favorite part?
I like
All the snacks? Yeah, I like snacks too. Have you learned anything? You learned about what? Oh, okay. Has it been a lot of fun?
All of us did
What'd you say now?
I said all of us did in this class.
Yeah. You got a pretty dress though. I like your dress. Very nice. You got flowers? Yeah, you got rubber. Are those silly bands? Oh wow. How many do you have? Oh wow. That's great. One more seahorse? Oh, okay. Well, great. You know what do you know what the verse for the day is? What did you learn today? Did you learn anything today?
I ate a cupcake.
You ate a cupcake.
Can I do